So we have two questions. As usual, we are doing just question number A and D. We want you to try the other two questions. So in question number A, we see the presence of 6 and 8. So for sure, the only element which can divide 6 and 8 commonly would be the number 2. And I see a presence of an x squared and an x, so I would be taking just x. So this information could be written with 2x taken out commonly. So the moment I take 2x out, I should think of that number which could be placed here, so that that number multiplied with 2x would give me 6x squared. Obviously it would be 3x. 3 multiplied with 2 would give me 6, x multiplied with x would give me x squared. The sign between the terms is positive, so we can place positive signs. Similarly, we need to think of that number which when multiplied with 2x would give me 8x. Obviously 4 times 2 would give me 8, and of course since the degree of x is just 1, so this x would solve the problem. In other words, 4 times 2x would in fact give us 8x. So this is the solution for the question. Now between negative 15 and 21, the only number which could divide these two quantities would be the number 3. So I see the presence of a x and a x squared, so I would be taking 3x. So this can be rewritten as 3x times the number that when multiplied with 3x should give me negative 15x. So that would be negative 5 times just negative 5, because it's the degree of x is just 1. So negative 5 times 3x would give us negative 15x. The sign I see here is positive, so I retain as it is, and then I must think of that particular number which when multiplied with positive 3x would give me positive 21x squared. Clearly it should be 7 with the x, because the degree of x is 2, so 7x times 3x would in fact give us 21x squared. Now this could be taken as a solution. Alternatively, if you choose not to have a negative 5 here, in other words, if you choose a negative 3x here, then the information can be rewritten as negative 3x times, wherever I see a negative sign I need to change it to positive, so negative 5 has to be changed to positive 5, positive 7x has to be changed to negative 7x. Now the basic idea is the number when multiplied with negative 3x should give me negative 15x. Obviously it should be only positive 5, because it's only positive 5 when multiplied with negative 3x can give us negative 15x. Similarly, negative 7x when multiplied with negative 3x can give us positive 21x squared. So this could be taken also as one of the solutions. So you can explore different possibilities depending upon the requirement for the question, as well as the multiple choices that you see in the problem.